Invite for the Alliance event on gambling harms. Join the Alliance's Scotland Reducing Gambling Harm team for a virtual community conversation on reducing gambling harm in Glasgow. Have you or someone you love been affected by gambling? Would you like to talk about the problems gambling can cause and the support that was most helpful to you, and what would have been helpful? Help us make a difference. Join this free online event to talk about how we can work together to make Glasgow a city free from gambling harms. Thursday, the 18th of February 2021 at 10 am to 12 pm. The Alliance would like to invite people living in the Greater Glasgow area with a hearing loss who have experience of gambling and the harm it can cause to an online Zoom event. This is a chance to influence work taking place in Glasgow to tackle gambling harms and share your thoughts on what should be done to make Glasgow a city free from gambling harm. The event is one of many ways for local people to get involved in a project funded by the UK Gambling Commission as part of the national strategy to reduce gambling harms in Scotland. Led by Public Health Scotland, the project will work with people in Glasgow to decide on the collective actions taken in Glasgow to prevent harm from gambling. You can register your interest to attend and you will be sent the information on how to join the online event. Gambling harm at alliance-scotland.org.uk. Gambling is a public health issue. People can experience a wide range of harms linked to gambling, including money problems, relationship breakdown, stress and anxiety, and in some extreme circumstances, suicide. For every person that experiences problems with gambling, on average 6 other people in their lives will be negatively affected. Whilst anyone can be affected at any time, we know that some people in communities are more vulnerable to gambling harm than others. This situation has, in all likelihood, been exacerbated by the social and economic impacts of COVID-19. As we move from managing the pandemic toward renewal and recovery, taking action now to tackle gambling harms will help make Glasgow a better, fairer place to live, work and play. To do this effectively, we need to work in partnership to understand the impacts of gambling and the evidence around the steps we can take to protect people and communities.